Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering and preparing the speaker. Plug the charging cable in and let it reach at least some charge. Once connected, turn the speaker on so the electronics are active. Next, make sure the phone or laptop you'll repair is nearby and its Bluetooth menu open. This prevents connection conflicts. Once done, you'll perform a deliberate power cycle to clear transient errors. This primes the speaker for the deeper reset step that follows. You now execute the reset action. Press and hold the speaker's power button firmly for about 10 seconds. This forces the internal controller to restart and clear temporary glitches. During the hold, look for changes in the status light. Blinking or a brief color change usually confirms the reset. Release the button when the indicator pattern appears. Make sure to wait a few seconds after release so the speaker fully boots. This is why we power cycled first, to avoid partial restarts or stuck states. Once the speaker restarts, you should remove the old pairing entry from your phone's Bluetooth list and then scan for the speaker again. This ensures you don't reconnect a stale profile. Pair normally and confirm audio playback. If pairing fails, reboot your phone and reopen the Bose app, then try again. Software caches and Bluetooth stacks often cause issues. One key troubleshooting tip: update speaker firmware via the Bose app or try a different device. If problems persist, contact Bose support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.